This is a new truck that we just built. It's for dumplings. We made a wok table, brand new wok table. We designed it ourselves with a custom built steamer for dumplings. You can open up that if you want. Here we go. And the wok table has 4 burners and a wok burner. Plenty of heat. Okay. He also has a custom built bain-marie, 2-pot coffee urn, soda bin, 3-bay sink with hot and cold running water, a 19 cubic foot freezer, extra counter and cabinet space. He also has 2 windows, 2 serving windows, one on this side and one on the opposite side, which I'll show you in just a minute. Here's the exhaust, his whole exhaust system, and the other serving window is on this side by the coffee room. And plenty of shelving and outlets. Okay. And you can see his wok table is heating up quickly. It's very hot. And he has 2 pots, 2 stock pots on the back, and an extra burner in the front. 2 stock pots have 2 Banjo burners on the back.